Wait, bago ka mag-scroll, gusto mo bang kumita ng $5 to $7 per hour, permanent work from home? And you will directly work with US-based business leaders without the usual BPO environment. Yes, this is legit at ang kagandahan pa sa work from home na ito is non-voice kasi it's a live chat customer support. So in this video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano ang company ito, ano ang mga kailangan nila, at tips para ikaw ang ma-hire. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kath. I'm a social media VA at dito, mag-hunting tayo at magbibigay ako ng mga ideya where to find side hustle, home-based jobs, at tips, tools, at lahat-lahat na sa pagiging isang virtual assistant. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, at click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. So ano nga ba ang live chat customer support? Before, nakapagtrabaho na din ako as a live chat bago ako naging isang social media VA. So, ito yung role na kung saan you assist customers through chat. You will answer inquiries. You will also do troubleshooting. You will help them navigate products or services. Depende yan sa company or sa client mo. And you will provide a smooth, friendly chat experience. Based on my experience, binigyan kami ng script na kung saan i-copy lang namin yung mga sagot sa mga customer or spills. So, gaya ng voice call, meron ding mga spills, but through chat. So, this is really pure chat, no calls, no voice. So, this is perfect for those who are camera shy or voice shy tayo minsan, diba? So, gusto natin yung mga ganito na chat-chat lang. So, this job requires the following. You should also be excellent in English writing. Fast typing speed. Kailangan talaga na mabilis ka mag-reply. You will also have empathy and patience, problem-solving skills, ability to multitask. Kasi nga, as a live chat, hindi lang isa yung customer na re-replyan mo. Marami yung mga chat. Kasi for example, sa duty hours mo, 2 or 3 lang kayong mga chatter. So dapat, meron kasi mga oras na marami ding mga customers. So hindi kagaya sa calls na tatapusin yung call mo and then sasagot ka ng ibang caller. But dito, as a live chat, pwedeng sabay-sabay. So, tapos, kailangan mo replyan sila agad. Dapat mabilis ka talaga mag-reply. Ability to multitask. Kasi meron ding mga seconds lang na kailangan ma-replyan mo agad. Kasi if aabot ng ilang minutes or seconds, bawal din yan sa company at maiinip yung ka-chat mo. You also need to maintain professionalism kasi you'll represent a US-based company. Yung hiring company is Careers at Magic. Magic works with US startups and executives. Hindi sila BPO, meaning you work directly with the business leaders, not through layers of management. So they've been hiring Filipino VAs for years and the community they built is super solid. If gusto mo makita updates nila, visit their FB page, Careers at Magic. Ilalagay ko din yung link sa description. Let's talk about the benefits kasi alam ko ito talaga yung hinihintay nyo. First, permanent work from home forever. No office politics, no commute. $5 to $7 per hour, which is roughly 30,000 to 42,000 per month, depende sa shift and hours mo. US-based clients, career growth. Magic is known for people getting promoted to higher paying roles. Stable long-term work at supportive VA community. So if you're looking for a career upgrade or stable work from home income, this is honestly a good place to start. So who are they looking for? So gaya ng mga nabanggit ko kanina, kailangan you can write clearly in English. Type fast, around 45 to 60 words per minute ideally. So yun talaga yun. Stay calm and friendly, solve problems quickly, handle multiple chats, and follow processes. If meron kang experience, this will really help you para matanggap ka as live chat support. Pero hindi siya required kasi ang alam ko, itong si Magic ay
tumatanggap ng walang experience. As long as tech-savvy ka and willing to learn. So go! Go for it, apply na. Before ka mag-apply, here are my tips for you para makapasa ka sa trabahong ito. Use a clean, simple resume. So this should highlight customer service or writing skills. Practice typing. Accuracy first and then speed next. Aim for at least 45 to 60 words per minute. Pag situational questions, always acknowledge, solve, and reassure. So, kailangan magbigay ka ng mga examples sa mga assessment questions. And then, read carefully. So, attention to detail is super important. Be friendly pero professional in your answers. And check your grammar. So, use Grammarly. Stable internet. So, this is non-negotiable kasi nga work from home. So, kailangan na meron kang stable internet connection. Meron din kang backup na internet. And don't delay. So, these roles fill up fast kasi nga non-voice, live chat support. Medyo madali lang kaysa ibang mga job roles na or hiring nila. Remember, effort mo ngayon, long-term income in the future.
So, ito yung link na kung saan kayo maghanap ng trabaho sa Magic. Non-voice customer support. So, if you are looking for another job, meron sa executive assistant, development representative, social media manager, and virtual bookkeeper. So, dito tayo sa non-voice customer support. So, kailangan yung mga personal information ninyo. First name, last name, email. Make sure na yung email address ninyo ay makaka-receive ng emails. Phone number as well. Your CV, resume. What is your alternative or secondary phone number? So, kailangan Viber or WhatsApp number. If wala kayong secondary number, if isa lang. Located, saan kayo sa Pilipinas? Were you referred? No, kasi hindi naman ako affiliate sa company ito. Are you a previous employee? And then, work availability. So, full-time ba, part-time, or part-time less than 20 hours? Are you willing to undergo training? Siyempre, yes. What work from home equipment do you have? So, kailangan ito, PC, laptop, wag naman no equipment kasi if walang equipment, then hindi ka makapagtrabaho niyan. What is your speed? Internet service provider. So, mas maganda yung mataas yung Mbps. What is the processor of your computer? So, ito yon. And then, do you have backup internet connection? So, dapat meron talaga. Kasi nga, laging may bagyo dito sa Pilipinas or laging nagbe-brown out. So, at least meron kang backup connection. Are you comfortable with working US? Syempre, yes. Kasi kailangan natin trabaho. Please select the type of customer service you had. So, ito yon. And then, indicate the length of your live chat or experience. And what was the highest position? If galing ka sa BPO, have you had experience in handling non-voice? How many live chat tickets have you handled? Are you open? Or over-the-phone tasks? Highest educational attainment? College? Educational background? What was your salary from your last job? And submit here. Allow us to process your and then submit. So, yun lang. And then, you wait for their reply through your email. If nakapasa ka dito, so first step nila, and then you will have the interview. And then I think you will have an interview with the client and then yun na, start.
So, if ready ka nang mag-upgrade ng iyong permanent work from home life, so apply now as a live chat customer support. Legit pay, legit company, permanent work from home. So, what more can you ask for? So, if meron pa kayong mga katanungan, just comment it in the comment section below and I will try my best na mag-reply. And if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Also, you can follow my Facebook account at TikTok account for more hiring tips at saka updates. Thank you for always watching!